Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Kraken remote. First, power on your Kraken trolling motor. Next, ensure your remote has 2 fresh AA batteries installed. To pair, press the power button on the motor 3 times to enter pairing mode. Then, turn on your remote and select Menu, Settings, Remote Control, Pairing, and Start. The motor's sync light will turn green when connected. Now you're ready to test its functions. Once paired, controlling your Kraken is straightforward. Use the directional arrow buttons to steer your trolling motor left or right. You can adjust your speed by pressing the plus or minus buttons. To hold your boat's position precisely, press the anchor lock button. Pressing the propeller button will turn the propeller on or off, giving you immediate control over thrust. Beyond the basics, your Kraken remote offers advanced features. Engage cruise control to maintain a consistent speed over ground. For fine-tuned steering, hold the manual button and use gesture control by tilting the remote. You can also mark waypoints directly from the remote, helping you return to productive fishing spots. Explore the menu for additional settings and customization options. To ensure your Garmin Kraken remote lasts, proper care is essential. Always keep it clean and dry, especially after use in salt water. Store it in a safe place to prevent damage. Regularly check the battery levels. The remote typically uses 2 AA batteries. Finally, keep your remote software updated to access the latest features and improvements for your trolling motor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.